So this video is especially for you, my friends who are the YouTuber and feel stuck. I totally understand you, because I am still running in these thoughts in my mind, and you know what, I tell myself, Merry Christmas, all the best and the love and the abundance to you. Cheers, my friends. Hey friends, I just want to stop by and looking into your eyes and say thank you so much for this journey, this year together, for those who stick around, for the ups and downs, for the change and many things in between. And yeah, I just want to say that I am grateful to have this opportunity, this platform to connect with you. And the year that coming, like the new year just right at the corner, I'm so excited. There are so many things that I want to share with you, and I want to take this space to be everything that I interest, everything that I want to share with you, tutorial, storytelling and vlog and everything that make my heart beat fast and slow at the same time. The thing that I passionate and the thing that I think can help us grow both in our business and our life. So I hope you stick around, and for those who are here from the first day until now, thank you so much for being here. I also want to leave the message for those who are a creator yourself, those who are a YouTuber and a designer, a content creator. I know that some of you stuck, and myself included, sometimes we feel stuck of how we're gonna do with our platform that we use to connect with our tribe, our followers, our the people in our community. Because some of you reached out to me and said you want to break out of the tutorial all the time. You just want to connect with your tribe in a different way or deeper level, and you're afraid that people are not watching your video. I've been there and I'm still working on it, because I know every time I post something that not tutorial, not so many people watching the video, and I'm not sure also that if anyone gonna watch this video, but I'm doing it anyway because something in me tell me to do, because something in me tell me that this is part of who I am, and I'm not gonna change the way I am just to please someone else. And you tell me I am so brave to do this. It's not about being brave, my friends, but it's about being yourself. And for those, just like if they are your friends, they're gonna stick around, and if you're not, if they're leaving you, you just have to let them go. And I want to take this opportunity to let you know that it's the right or the good moment to really let go of what is no longer serve you. Let go of the fear that people won't watch your video, because those who watch your video, even 1%, they are worth it for you to care about. And if those who are like 90%, they're gonna leave you, for me, I make a decision, they can leave me, because I cannot just be what they want me to be. I just want to be myself. I just want to give the whole package of who I am. So this video is especially for you, my friends who are the YouTuber and feel stuck. I totally understand you, because I am still running in these thoughts in my mind, and you know what, I tell myself, I'm just gonna be myself. I'm just gonna do what I love to do. So all being said, for those who are my community and my followers and my friends who are here from the beginning, or who just pop up during the the journey that I'm here on YouTube, I'm so happy that you are here. 2021 is just right at the corner, so I already have something stuck in my sleeve for you. I plan to teach you more into like a beginner level, because I know many people who are using YouTube are totally new to YouTube, new to crochet, and you actually want the video that help you or walk you through from the easy step. And for those who are already intermediate, I think it's a good time for you now to learn to calculate alongside me. So I create this Patreon. If you don't know what the Patreon mean, I put the link for you here. I create the education platform, not create, like I use Patreon, so you can join the Patreon and learn how to design with me and get the patterns and many other things like podcasts and everything that I will provide for my patrons But I also going to be on YouTube more often. I promise to myself that I'm going to upload video every week, either tutorial or something like, you know, storytelling, sharing about the journey on making pieces to life, or if I have a tip, something that I can share with you, I will be filming and share with you, of course. So this is my commitment for 2021, to be posting a weekly video here for you. And yeah, if you're spot on my sweater, I'm working on this one right now, and it's going to be a tunic length. I have to, you know, continue. I'm still, as you can see, it still have this yarn hanging. And yeah, I plan to film this part already until now, until where I am today. I'm gonna film tomorrow and share on my patrons and my Patreon. And if you want to learn now, you can join our Patreon site. I put the link, like I said, below this video, and you can learn this weekend. I will teach you how to actually measure your body alongside me to make this one, because the pattern will be site inclusive again, and I will be sharing the written pattern next month once it's ready. I am paying for my crochet grader. If you don't know what is crochet grader, it's a person who will help me with the sizing. So I will be paying someone to help me on this. And yeah, I'm gonna share the size inclusive on my Patreon, and the free video tutorial that I'm going to share with you for those who are here on YouTube, gonna learn the version of calculating beside, like alongside me. I will also share the calculation version, how to say, like measure along version on my blog and my, you know, my channel here next month. But if you want to already start before anyone else, you can join me and everyone on Patreon side. Oh my god, I just confused Patreon and Patreon. So yeah, I just want to take this time to let you know what's going to come your way, and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm wishing you all a beautiful, beautiful moment one more time. Take the time for yourself and ask yourself what is most important to you. What is your priority? Priority is the word. What is your priority? If it's not joy, then ask again, because joy should be something you consider to be your priority, right? Don't trying to make something that is out of your hands just to serve someone else, because you're not gonna be in peace, because you're gonna running around non-stop, because this world is full of people, millions of people. You cannot please everyone. Just be true to yourself and stand firm to where you are, rooted with the ground. Know your worth and be the voice that speak your truth. Just be the voice and just hold on to your truth, and everything will come to you in the right moment and time. I'm telling this to you, and I'm telling this to myself. Merry Christmas. Cheers.